Welcome fellas, today I'm going to be showing you how to process and setting up a powerful online presence for your business on the world's largest social media platform. So first of all, what you want to do is to access the Facebook business page. If you don't see this, that means that maybe you needed to go directly here into the Meta Business Suite. The Meta Business Suite is going to be helping us to get started with a lot and bunch of ways. In this case, it's going to be focusing into the business page. So if you go directly here into the business.facebook.com, it's going to be of course showing you all your business portfolios, and of course if you don't have one, what you can do is to get started by creating a new one here inside the upper side and go for create a business portfolio. Now that we are inside the creative business portfolio, it's going to be asking you to choose the name of your portfolio name, go for the first, the last name, and the business email. This won't be visible to the customers, and they're going to be using this email to contact us about the business. Once you have created the actual type of your business portfolio, inside here what you wanted to do is to go here for the actual arrow of the settings and create your very first Facebook business page. So guys, as you can see, you can always go here into accounts, go for page, and look out for add pages. This one is going to be asking you to rather create a new Facebook page, claim an existing Facebook page, or to request to share a Facebook page. In our case, what we wanted to do is to look out for create a new Facebook page. So here's going to be asking you now to choose the page type and to fill the basic information. Select the type of business page you wanted to create, whether that could be like a business or a brand or community or just a public figure. Enter your business name, select the category that best represents your business, and provide a brief description. Now let's agree to the Meta terms of service and create your actual new page. This is the part where you wanted to add a profile picture and a cover photo. Here, upload a profile picture that represents your brand, such as your logo. Choose a cover photo that captures the essence of your business and resonates with your audience. You want to ensure both images are high quality and visually appealing. I'm going to hit into view on Facebook so you can type and customize everything inside here. After you have finished that section, let's go into customize the page setting and the add details. Customize your page settings to suit your preference and your business needs. You can add additional details such as your business hours, contact information, website URL, and other relevant information to help visitors learn more about your business. How you can actually focus on, let's go here into managed, and directly here into managed you can focus and add more elements, whatever elements you actually need inside your page. So I can link a WhatsApp, I can connect my Instagram, I can add the action button, I can link my actual website, I can add the location information, I can add my business hours, phone number, and so much more. Now you can focus into create your very first post. You can craft and publish your very first post by actually promoting it and sharing directly relevant content, promotions, updates, behind the scenes, glimpses, connect you with your audience, and encourage interaction. That's what we're actually looking for, encourage to interactions. And lastly, you want to invite the followers and promote your page. You can invite your existing content friends and customers to like and follow your actual page directly here into the upper side that says promoting. You can utilize Facebook advertising tools to reach a broader audience and promote your page to potential customers. And now that you have the promotion, now that you have your actual section already been set it up, now that you added your very first post, then you can just get started to achieve new followers inside Facebook. So congratulations, because you have successfully created your Facebook business page and taking the first step towards building a thriving online community for your business. If you find this story helpful guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more social media marketing tips. So until next time, happy networking.